Joining me now is Cathie Wood, my old friend, CEO and CIO of ARK Invest. Cathie, thank you for doing this. We appreciate it. The story is Nvidia. The story is artificial intelligence. The story is technology. Now, you are the expert, number one. Tell us about this.
Well, I think ChatGPT has done innovation a great favor, especially artificial intelligence. We have been featuring this platform in our research since we started the firm in 2014, and Nvidia at that time was $5. Nobody appreciated what Nvidia would do to transform the world, the technology world. Back then, it was just a sleepy old PC gaming chip company, but we saw it back then as an AI company. Now, what we're seeing with Nvidia, this massive move today, and since we bought it at $5 to today's, I think it was almost $380, we're seeing the picks and shovels movement in the AI theme. And so NVIDIA has done a lot of heavy lifting over the years, and it is the number one hardware play in AI. That said, we now think, and we're very aggressive in our artificial intelligence assumptions, we think by the year 2030, hardware spending will be about $1.7 trillion. And NVIDIA's sales base this year is estimated to be only 40 billion. So that's a huge market opportunity. And yet, because of the appreciation we've seen from NVIDIA, thanks to ChatGPT, we really saw it take off after that. We believe that it will deliver a compound annual rate of return of roughly 15%, so a doubling over the next 5 years. We think the real play in artificial intelligence right now is more on the software side. The companies with visionary leaders, great distribution, so broad distribution globally, and proprietary data. Those companies are going to be some of the biggest beneficiaries. And a company reported last night it didn't get any respect for this, UiPath, which in the robotics process automation probably is going to be the leader from an AI point of view. But because people didn't see the whites of the eyes of sales growth acceleration for next quarter, they took it down nearly 10%. So very interesting day.
Cathie, look, you're the smartest of the smart on this stuff. Is Nvidia leading Nvidia and the other stocks? I mean, I'm just reading the Wall Street Journal, Advanced Micro Devices, Microsoft, Monolithic Power. Those are some of the names they quoted. You know all about this. I know virtually nothing about this. But does it lead a renaissance in technology stocks in general? Tech's had a pretty good year after getting whacked last year. And, that's your specialty. So what you think about the tech sector?
Yes, if you look today, the biggest beneficiaries of NVIDIA's announcement were the FANGs and, of course, NVIDIA. And so I think people are beginning to understand the productivity gains that artificial intelligence is going to deliver. I think in terms of competition, well, NVIDIA has roughly 90% of the GPU market, which dominates AI training and increasingly inference. But there will be competition. Especially now that this market is on fire. AMD certainly, the hyperscalers themselves, Meta Platforms, Alphabet, and Amazon, they are developing their own chips. So is Tesla. Tesla with Dojo, we think, could give NVIDIA quite a bit of competition. So, and it was very interesting in the call last night. Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, was very careful to say that DGX, its competitor really in the data center to these other companies, is going to really account for 10% of the market. They will get 90%. But nonetheless, NVIDIA is starting to compete with its customers. It's doing them a world of service, of course, But we do believe they're going to come up with their own, with alternatives.
Cathie, I've just got 30, 40 seconds, but look I would like to see, I don't know, you're the expert. I don't know anything about this stuff. But you've got this new invention, artificial intelligence. Everybody's talking about it, stock market. I kind of would like to see the government keep its paws off it. I really would. I mean, you know me, I'm Schumpeterian, gales of creative destruction.
Yes.
What do you think, more importantly than what I think? What do you think about this?
Oh, I absolutely agree with you. I'm glad that Elon Musk and 1,000 other people signed a statement saying we should be careful. They suggested a moratorium. I don't think that's realistic. I think our competitors around the world are going to try and run and outrun us if we do pause at all. But I do think that half of the solution is understanding the problem. All technology can be used for nefarious purposes, including artificial intelligence. And, there are all kinds of ways it could be used. And I'm glad people are talking about it. Yes, government should stay away.
Yeah. All technology can be used for great purposes, too, including more jobs and faster economic growth. Cathie Woods, you are the best of the best, and